Standard 4th, EVS 2, Lesson number 5, Shivaji's Education. Let us discuss about Shivaji's education, the beginning of Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje was a Sanskrit scholar himself, and he had a lot of scholars and artists at his Bangalore court. Shahaji Raje thus selected very talented and good teachers to teach Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj education started at the age of 7 years. Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita on his own. He also learnt different skills of war and administration under the supervision of Shahaji Raje. Look here. Shivaji Maharaj learnt wrestling. He learnt how to use a sword. He learnt how to ride a horse. He learnt how to use the Dantpatta sword. Since Shahaji had to go on a campaign, he sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. So from Bangalore, Shivaji and Jijabai came to Pune. Along with Shivaji, Shahaji sent horses, elephants, infantry, money, flags, and his trusted men and excellent teachers. When Shivaji came to Pune, he remembered the days of his childhood. He was happy to see the tall peaks of the Sahyadri again. But now Pune was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Properties were damaged, houses were demolished, temples had collapsed, the frightened people had fled from their villages. Fields had become barren, thick forest had grown. Wolves roamed in the countrysides. Pune thus was totally in a shambles and ruins. So what was the condition? The condition was very bad during that time when Shivaji and Jijabai came to Pune. Wolves and thieves were roaming everywhere. The condition of Pune was very bad. So when people heard that Shivaji and Jijabai had come back to Pune, they felt happy. A lovely Ganpati temple was built at Kasaba Pet. Daily pujas started happening. There are slowly life started returning to normal. Jijabai revived other temples in Pune too. Festivals were celebrated once again, and the town was again thronging with people. Thus Pune was totally transformed. The achievements of Dadaji Kondev. When Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. Kondana is the name of a fort. At the order of Shahaji Raje, he built a Vada residence. Vada means residence for Shivaji and Jijabai. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. This was called Lal Mahal. In this way, the house was built. Lal Mahal. And to encourage the peasants to till their lands, Dadaji gave them concessions in the land tax for few years, prices for destroying the wolves, peasant patrols raised, means why the peasant patrols were raised to protect life and property from gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. He thus made the people happy in the fields of agricultural reform and revenue collection. The work done by Dadaji Kontdev and Nizam Shahi Wazir Malik Ambar is considered to be very important, and what happened next we should discuss in the next session. Thank you.